An interface in Go is a type that specifies a set of method signatures. Any type that implements these methods satisfies the interface, enabling polymorphism. To define an interface, use the type keyword, followed by a name and interface, then list all the method signatures inside curly braces. To implement an interface, define a struct and implement all required methods. Unlike other languages, there is no explicit implements keyword. Go automatically recognizes that a type satisfies an interface if it has the necessary methods. Interfaces can be used as function parameters, allowing functions to accept any type that implements the expected behavior. To use an interface, declare a variable of the interface type and assign an instance of a struct that implements it. Methods can then be called on the interface variable, enabling flexible code design. Thanks for watching, and follow for more.